Hello, gaming enthusiasts. Welcome back to the latest scoop on all things gaming. I hope everyone had an amazing Thanksgiving, and for those who didn't celebrate, I trust you had an awesome day too. Today, we've got some hot topics on our plate, especially with the Game Awards just around the corner. Leaks are pouring in, and there's a buzz about a potential Xbox announcement. Stick around as we delve into the details, but before we dive in, make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop with the freshest gaming news. Now let's kick things off with a PlayStation highlight. Stellar Blade, a captivating PlayStation 5 exclusive, has been making waves. Shift Up, the developer, recently inked a deal with Sony Interactive Entertainment, making them the first Korean company to join Sony's second-party partners. This move showcases Sony's recognition of talent beyond traditional gaming hubs, and Stellar Blade, inspired by the acclaimed Nier Automata, has caught our attention. The gaming scene in Korea is flourishing, and Sony's support is a testament to that. Shifting gears to PlayStation's past, an intriguing patent from 2015 has resurfaced. It bears a striking resemblance to the newly released PlayStation Portal, fueling speculation about Sony's design evolution. The patent features a tablet with a DualShock 4 controller, hinting at a precursor to the current Portal. It's a fascinating glimpse into the design process, reminding us that some concepts do materialize into reality. Now let's talk about the Game Awards, the event we're all eagerly anticipating. Xbox, notably absent last year, is rumored to make a big announcement. While details are scarce, speculations abound. Could it be a gameplay reveal for Hellblade 2 or an update on the elusive Perfect Dark? With Xbox's extensive roster of upcoming games, the possibilities are tantalizing. But that's not all. A cryptic tweet from Hideo Kojima has stirred the pot. The Game Awards responded with an enigmatic eyeball emoji, emitting rumors of Kojima's presence. As Kojima juggles multiple projects, including the mysterious horror game Overdose with Xbox, the anticipation for a potential announcement is palpable. Whether you're an Xbox, PlayStation, or Kojima fan, keep those ears peeled for exciting news. Shifting focus to Nintendo, a significant change is underway for Switch Online in Japan. Nintendo is launching an adults-only app, allowing mature-rated games like GoldenEye to be accessible without altering the age restrictions for the main app. Could this pave the way for mature-rated classics on Switch Online globally? The prospect of titles like Conker's Bad Fur Day joining the lineup is certainly enticing. Wrapping up, the Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic remake has raised concerns among the gaming community. Despite setbacks, our optimism prevails, believing this iconic title will eventually find its way to eager fans. That's a wrap for today's Gaming Ghost. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for your regular gaming fix. Until next time, happy gaming.